That's the milestone successful. So let's say if reach like 100 million, we will be releasing that. So para lang ang 300 million for 99 million, Viva will be receiving 0.75%. So if mabot natin yung 1 million rupees in total for the whole year, Viva will be receiving 1.5% of the total contract price of the total sales of the Viva Group. So next page. So last 2023, our sale was from Makati chapter Green Hills. Makati at Green Hills. Dalawang chapter pa lang to. Para na-reach natin yung 93 billion. So how much more it will have to maintain the whole chapters nationwide? So we reached 93 million. So di ba kanina pa na 109 So just look at the numbers. That's the incentive of the department. So next page. Right now, this is the current production. We have production from Cebu, the 7X, the office building. So kung may mga Cebu values na yung hand recruiters, we have the production. We have from Global City. We have sold the whole apartments, buildings, and cities. So totally to 15 billion na tayo na yun. Kasi kailangan yung mga production. So pag ma-reach natin 100 million, we will release it. Because we still have until the end of the session to count the production for the milestone business. So next. So Viva Global Cities is Madison. Delos Reyes here will be awarding her check or incentive on top of her commission and incentive from the company because she is the Viva Global. Baka may representative Viva Global City who can receive the incentive. So while we're waiting for Viva Global City, say, Dusty Sheila is very there, or Mystery Pop, ano mas Mystery Pop na dito? Mystery Pop is from Global City. If you're there, please receive the cash incentive of Global City Broker, Madison, yes. Next, please. Yeah, from Viva Green Hills, Rosa Gonzalez, okay? Si Rosa. Rosa. Nag-host nila si Rosa. Saan? Nasa taas? Saan? Starbucks? Rosa, baba ka na. Dalawang 10,000 incentive mo. Meron kami na ng incentive for the two sales sa full apartment. Saan na? Kapag na na? Kapag na yung mga ako. White